Hello learners, how are you? Hope you are doing good in your studies. But now, are you bored with your study and want to do something new? Do you want to learn some new creative skills? Do you think you are creative? Then, I have a very exciting news for you, which will give answers of all these questions. And it is a Creative Corner Timeout by Unacademy. Creative Corner's Timeout is back in new avatar. You can learn creative thinking and problem solving from amazing educators. If you have ever wanted to try out something outside of academics, like chess tricks, coding, Excel, poetry, robotics, doodling or magic, then this is your chance. And the most exciting part is, you can win a subscription for Creative Corner by submitting a video of yourself recreating something that you learnt in timeout sessions. So mark the date, be ready to discover the world of creativity and learn new skills. Creative Corner Timeout is on 31st January 2021. Sounds interesting? To enroll free for this event, you need to check the enrollment link given in the description box. To enroll, you can also download the Unacademy app from the Play Store. Then, enter your mobile number for sign up, fill all the details such as your name, email address and your state. By completing this process, you will get an OTP on your mobile number. Just enter the OTP and you will be in Unacademy family. So, let's crack it.
Dew point and humidity. If you keep few ice cubes in glass, then after some time, you will notice water drops appearing at outer side of the glass. Can you tell me from where these drops appear? Do water flow from inside of glass to outside? No. We know that air is mixture of gases. But do you know that air also contains some amount of water vapors? They enter in air as a result of heating of water by solar energy. Air containing water vapors is called moist air. The amount of moisture or water vapor present in air is called humidity. What will happen if the amount of water vapors in the given amount of air increases continuously? Basically, at a given temperature, a fixed amount of air can contain only up to certain maximum amount of water vapors. At this stage, air is said to be saturated with water vapors. If the amount of water vapors is increased beyond this amount, then the excess water vapors undergo condensation, that is, conversion of gas form to liquid form. Thus, water vapors get converted back into liquid water. The temperature at which air becomes saturated with vapors is called dew point temperature or simply dew point. A given amount of air which contain less amount of vapors than maximum is said to be unsaturated air. By decreasing the temperature, it is possible to make air saturated with vapors. Humidity is measured by measuring the amount of water vapors present in the air. Absolute humidity. The mass of vapor present in a unit volume of air is called absolute humidity. It is measured in kilogram per meter cube. Relative humidity. Since the saturation of air also depends on temperature, therefore, we need to consider relative humidity of air. It is the ratio of actual mass of vapors in the given amount of air at given temperature to the maximum mass of vapors needed to make the air saturated at that temperature. It is expressed in percentage. At dew point temperature, air is saturated, which means that the relative humidity is 100%. However, if at certain temperature, air contains only half of the amount of vapors than that required to make air saturated, then we say that the relative humidity is 50%. In general, Relative humidity is the way of describing how much humidity an air contains as compared to maximum humidity that it can contain at that temperature. If relative humidity is greater than 60%, then air feels humid, and if it is below 60%, then air feels dry. I hope you have understood this topic very well. Thanks for watching this video.